Welcome to Maths Genius. Today we will be covering an important topic in the maths portion. Welcome to the lecture series of ST5, and today we will be covering an important past paper question because investment indices have been one of the favorites of the examiners in the recent past, and this is an exam question taken from the April 2017 examination. Question number 4, it says that list the uses of investment indices. So for those of you who have done this earlier, and if they recall, the uses are many, but the first use can be it is used as a measure of short-term market movements. Right, as a measure of short-term market movements. The second could be it is used as a tool for measuring future movements in the market. And this is based on all past trends. So it is based on past trends. The third point is it is used for valuing a notional portfolio. Fourth, as a basis for index funds which track the particular market. Right? Since this is a 3-mark question, so we won't be spending too much time on it. So by looking at these type of things, the first point, we have been asked to tell the uses of investment. Right? Indices. What are indices? Indices are measures. Right? They measure the performance of the market. So the first one includes short-term market movements. The second, that it can be used as a tool for measuring future movements in the market based on the past trends. Then it is used for valuing a notional portfolio, and then as a basis for index funds which track the particular market. So this is, and there can be one more as well. I am just giving you an extra so that when we are doing on the exams, if you remember, only a part of it, so you can write it. And it is also used for analyzing subsectors. That's the end of this session. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video, and subscribe my channel for more videos and updates.